Hello there, my name is Eunice Sayaker, a selected electrical instructor under the Youth Rising Project, and today I'm going to be training you through the process how to build a simple electrical circuit using components like the breaker. This is a protected device. It's going to protect this circuit from access current, and I have with me the switch. The switch is used to power the lamp. This is the lamp, and this is the lamp holder. It's there to hold the lamp. I also have the receptacle. You use this to charge your phone. And the tools I'm going to be using, I got trading screw, cable clamp. I got my cables here. And for the sake of this project, I'm going to be using green for the power and white for the neutral. I also have hammer. And this is the Phillips. This is the Phillips screw, and I also have the very small one, and I have here cutter and plier. So let's begin. First, I'm going to connect the wire in the junction cup. I'm going to start with the switch first. You see, in connecting the switch, you have to look at the back of the switch. They have here line 1, which is L1 and L. The power coming straight to the switch, and you have to connect it to L1. The power comes to L1. So I'm going to take this. This is my power now. This represents power, and I will send it to L1. And the easiest way to understand the switch is to tell yourself that switch does not have neutral. So as long as you send the power line to the switch, know the line that is coming from the switch is the return of the power line. It's not neutral. Okay, now that we are done with the switch, this line is the return of the power line. So you connect it to the power line from the power line for the lamp. Now, the neutral from the lamp goes to the general neutral, which is this. We are left with the receptacle. The receptacle is not connected to the switch. The receptacle is directly connected to the power source. You don't turn receptacle on or off. So how do we connect the receptacle? If you check the back of the receptacle, we have the line, we have the neutral, we have the line, we have the neutral. For this receptacle to work, you have you will connect your power source here and you connect the neutral here. But to power this side of the receptacle, you have to create jumper from the line here to the other line this way, and from the neutral here to the neutral this way. So first I will connect. This is the line, the power line, and this is the jumper I've created. This is the lamp holder, and it doesn't have much indication where to connect power or neutral. Just make sure you follow the color coding. We can connect the neutral anywhere in the power source. The next one is the breaker. The breaker is there to control the power. So the neutral does not go to the breaker. What goes to the breaker is the power line. And for decent work, we need clean to keep our wires in shape. Now, the power from the receptacle, the switch, is connected directly to the power source. So now I'm going to use my tape to tape the part of the wire that I peeled to the connection. So I'm done with my simple circuit connection, and we're above to test the circuit. We already have a power source, so our power line is connected, and we are about to test it. Ready? First, I turn my breaker on, and okay, so let me see if the receptacle is working also. And this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'm Eunice Sayaker, a selected electrical instructor on the Youth Rising Project. This project is funded by the European Union, and for more teaching like this, you can follow us on Facebook at Youth Rising Liberia. Thanks again for watching.